Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a huge unboxing for you. Now, I know that this is a very weird view, but I just got this today, and this box is huge, and it is heavy, and I could not fit this on my desk, and it be in the view of my camera. So, I have not opened the box, but I did take the front of the tape off because it had all of my packaging info on here. But this comes to me from a lady on Amazon that I have been talking to for a while, and she she is with the company Miniature Joy. And what this is some miniature dollhouse kits. Now, I have started doing miniature dollhouses, and I have just fell in love with them. And so I have been talking to this woman, and she has sent me some from her store. And I am going to open this box. I have no idea what she has sent me, y'all. But I am so excited. I can hardly wait. But I am going to open this box, and we're going to find out together. And then I am going to pause, and whatever's in here, I'm going to take it out and put it on my desk so that we can get a better look, because I am all hunched over and my back is killing me. So, let's open and let's see. And I am holding my phone. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, let me get it together here. Okay, I'm not going to look at them. I'm just going to put them over here on my desk. I'm trying not to make y'all sick. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Oops. What is that? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Anything else in there? No. Okay. I told y'all this was a big old box. Okay. I am going to pause, and then I'll be right back. Okay. So, I put everything on my desk, and then I took everything off my desk except for this. And we'll go through this one at a time. Now, like I said, Lynn works for, she might own it, I don't know, Miniature Joy. And what this is a company on Amazon, and they have an Instagram also. And I will put the links to everything that she sent me in my description box so that y'all can check this out. And I will also put her Instagram in my description box. Y'all, I'm out of breath. But anyway, she also sent me this, and it is a leather earring making kit. She said that they also sell this in their store, and she said I might like it, might be interested in it. So I told her that was fine, that I might be. So, because I've never done this, so this is cool. But anyway, they specialize in I'm just going to read this to you. I got this off of their site on Amazon, and it said that they specialize in offering half-scale miniature dollhouse kits, and the kits have gained enormous popularity, and they work directly with the top manufacturers to develop new products and improve existing ones with the help of customer feedback and market research. They also work with manufacturers to come up with more popular and trending products. And then, like I said, they also have this leather earring making kit. And it has fox leather fabric sheets. And then here's the instructions with step-by-step. So that's cool. And look at all those different. Y'all, I've got to get this out and see what this looks like. Let's see. We got a lot of glitter going on here. Alright. I have got to see what this looks like. Very sparkly. Ooh. This feels just like leather. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh, these are cool. Oh, that just feels just like leather, y'all. Yellow. Silver. Got blue. Pink. So, I have never made jewelry. You know, that is, you know, other than when I was a kid, I'd made, like, beaded, like, jewelry, like, beaded necklaces with the big beads and stuff, but to make, like, real jewelry, I've never done that before. So, this would be something very new. But that's pretty neat. Those are so pretty. So, okay, these are, I guess, these are the earrings, and you just cover those. Let's see. Alright, so, on the back of the leather, use the pen to trace. Okay, yeah. Then you'd punch that out. And then you got your split rings. And then you got all of these. Oh, this is cool, y'all. Okay, y'all. Alright. To my jewelry making. Oh, these go with this. Okay. I was wondering what these were. These go with this. Okay, to my jewelry making people out there, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Have y'all ever made anything like this before? Let me know. Alright, so I'm going to set this to the side, and then let's look at one of these. Now I'm going to bring y'all back up some. Alright, so this is the Pet Club. Y'all, I'm just going to tell y'all right now. I got a couple of these from Hobby Lobby. And well, actually I got one from Hobby Lobby because it was on clearance. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it, see how I like it. Because, you know, there's other people that make them and do them. And I just want to see. Well, I have fallen in love with these things. And I thought, you know what? Look, there is... Oh, they have a .com. Oh, my God. I didn't know that. Lynn, I'm going to have to come on to your website. Y'all, I will put the website in my description box also. And then they have a support email also. But, look, y'all, you have to put everything together. Everything. But it is so easy. It looks hard, but it's not, y'all. But it has everything you need in here. And some kits even come with your glue, your scissors, all your hardware. Some do, some don't. You might have to go buy some glue. But I thought, you know what? Okay, y'all know I love to diamond paint. Y'all know I love to diamond paint. If diamond painting was on a scale to 1 to 10, 10 being my most fabulous, love it, will never stop doing it, and 1 hating it, diamond painting would be a 10. Well, guess what, y'all? These are a 9 because I love it. So, what is this one? This is okay, hold up. Okay, wait a minute. I'm confused. Are these the same or are they different? Okay. Nope. Alright, this is container A. This one is B. Okay. So, this one is A. Okay, wait a minute. So, this one is this one. You see it? I'm not going to open these two. But, this one is container home A. So, this, what's inside this one will be everything to make this dollhouse. And then this one is container B, which will be everything to make this dollhouse. That is so cool. Oh my God. I was not expecting all of this. Yeah, you know what? I am going to open this. Okay, so, anywho. I am, oh my gosh. Y'all look. Y'all see in there? That is what it looks like. Okay, so, I'm not going to pull everything out, but I am going to pull some out. So, you see how it has this on here? Okay, everything that you have are going to be in individual bags. So, everything that's in here, you get a book. There will be a book in here somewhere. Let's see. What I plan on doing, it's in there somewhere, is I am going to try to put one of these together on video, okay? And let y'all see, let y'all watch these come alive, because these things are so cool. Look, this is bag A. So it looks like it's all your flooring. And then here's your B's. So everything is done in order. So I'm not sure what all that's going to be. Oh, here's the bag, or here's the book. Alright, let me put all this back in there. But that is my plan, because like I said, I have fell in love with doing these. I've done 2 so far. I've done a house and I've done a camper. The house was the clearance item that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I liked it so much that I went back and I bought 2 more, one being a camper, and then I bought another one that I haven't even opened it yet, but I did the camper and I finished it, and I love them. I mean, it's one of those, and I I used to feel this way about my diamond painting, and I still do, that you can't even wait to wake up in the mornings because you can't wait to diamond paint. I can't wait to get up in the morning, get everything done that I got to get done during the day so I can sit down and start working on my dollhouses. But it shows you everything that you need, or everything that is in your kit. It shows you everything, like how to build, how to make your shoes. Let's see. Yeah. Look, and it's going to show how to put all this together. It is tedious. It is time consuming. But it is so fun, and it is so satisfying. And even with me having, my fingers are so fat, I mean, it can become a pain, but it is so much fun. And they have all these templates, and you cut these things apart and you glue them together. These are going to be books, and it's just, they're easy. They're so easy. And this is your floor. And everything will fit. Let's see. See, here's your templates. And then you just cut these out. Everything has a number, so you're not going to get messed up. You're not going to be like, oh my God, I don't know what goes here. You're going to know, as long as you follow your instructions. So yeah, y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait. But that is my plan, is to start introducing these tiny dollhouse kits on my channel. That is my plan. And yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. I love it. I know there's several of y'all that do it. Please give me a comment. Let me know who on here does these. And maybe we can compare notes if you've got any tips and tricks. Believe me, I would love to hear them. Any good tricks, any tools that you have found that are better than others, any glues, yeah, anything that you think would be good, let me know, because I would really appreciate any tips and tricks. So, again, Lynn, thank you so much for sending these to me. I'm just super thrilled because, like I said, I had no idea what she was sending me, y'all. I had absolutely zero idea what she was sending me. I knew she was sending this, but I had no idea what she was sending. But I am thrilled, and I cannot wait. But y'all, Miniature Joy, that is the name of the company. Like I said, I will leave links in my description box for her Instagram, the Amazon, and now that I know that she has a website, her website. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please leave me a comment, do all the YouTubey things, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.